What is up, gang? It's Girl B back again with another video. So today we're going to be doing stuff slime related. Yes, I know that it looks like there's no slime in here, but I swear there is slime in here. See, slime right there. I got proof. So we're going to be mixing slime in this baby right here. Now, the reason I already have slime in here is because I was testing it out to make sure that you guys knew what you were doing. This is going to be a tutorial video. So all you need to do is have like a mixer thing. This is my mixer thing right here, my unicorn poopsie slime surprise mixer thing. No, I know that's not what it is, but it makes like a stupid noise when I mix it. Listen, it's fun. Anyway, so I'm going to be, placing slime in here, lots of slime, and just mixing it. That's what we do on this channel. We mix. We like to mix beats. Like, okay, so this bubble has slime on it, so nice, so I just need to mix it in there with the other types of slime, and after this video I'm going to put all of that stuff back in there and stuff, because as you can see there's a little bit of pink in there. So we need to get all the pink going. Might make it like this cool looking dark pink color, because I like the dark pink better than light pink, and also it gives me more sparkle. More sparkle. It makes a stupid noise. You want to get into the right consistency? Yeah, we use some big words on this channel. Then I can take it out, and I can just add more, because that's what we do. And we want it to not be able to stick. We want it to be squishy and stuff, but we don't want it to stick. That way I don't get my room a mess, because I've already done that. And also, guys, make sure that you have a towel or something, or a blanket that you don't really use. You see, this is my blanket. This is the other blanket that I'm using for this video, because I don't want you guys to get in trouble and stuff. I also don't think I'm gonna get in trouble because yeah. Alright, I think it's good. Ew, I don't like that noise. Terrible. Nice, alright, let's get more. Yeah. Okay. There, add a bit of this. There's my brother being sick in the background. And just, scoop it in there. Come on. Thank you. We don't have all day. So, I film with an iPad on YouTube, and they limit my stuff and how long it takes. So I